I've been blogging about real estate for years, and one question na paulit-ulit ko natatanggap is, Chris, saan ba dapat ako mag-invest outside Metro Manila na hindi pa ganun kamahal pero may future potential? Right now, two places I would seriously look at are Capas Tarlac and General Trias Cavite. So let's start with Capas. You probably heard about PAC Silica, the proposed 1,620 hectares high-tech industrial and manufacturing hub inside New Clark City. So focus ito on industries like semiconductors and AI. According to government, it could generate more than 130,000 direct jobs once fully developed. But let's be clear, PAC Silica is still a proposed project. Dadaan pa siya sa approvals and environmental safeguards. And more importantly, may current debate pa concerning the surrounding project, particularly on water, environmental impact, and communities na pwedeng maapektuhan. So personally, I hope these concerns are properly addressed. So, bakit nga ba interesting ang Capas? So, hindi lang because magtatayo ng PAC Silica. Also because of its proximity. If you look at the map, Tarlac is significantly closer to Metro Manila than most people assume. It will only take you 1.5 hours from Quezon City, Balintawak. And of course, New Clark City is in Capas, and may existing communities na rin and residential developments dito. So, one example is Brentwood Residences, an existing community that is also part of the expanded 4PH program. In fact, last month, kaka-turnover lang ng mga bahay ng Pag-ibig at DHSUD. So, you can actually consider buying into an actual community today habang mura pa at may mababang interest ang Pag-ibig. Now, let's talk about General Trias Cavite. General Trias is already an established industrial hub. Marami na dyan actually nag-ooperate na business hubs. But there's another potential catalyst. Ito yung PLDT's Vitro Data Center expansion. PLDT is planning a 100 megawatt data center in Cavite, with the project potentially involving around 40 billion lang naman in investment. Again, this is still in planning and evaluation stage. Pero why does it matter to position yourself in these areas? Simple lang. Kapag may bagong industries like these, may trabaho. Pag may trabaho, it attracts people. People create communities, and communities create demand. Because ultimately, where people go, real estate usually follows.